Quality is the base of an enterprise. Guangdong Metal Forming Machine Works Company Limited insists quality-first principles to develop and become the top manufacturer of metal forming machines. Our glorious history, which holds us in high esteem. Guangdong Metal Forming Machine Works Company Limited was founded in 1958 and restructured to Private Science and Technology Enterprise of Guangdong in 1994. We are the biggest manufacturer of metal forming machines in southern China, with an area of around 200,000 square meters. We are a national high-tech enterprise and one of the top comprehensive strength enterprises in our industry. Trust derived from the quality that brings us all our achievements. We believe that it's our responsibility to produce the perfect products and keep up with the world's forging technology. Excellent quality stems from the advanced equipment. The advanced production equipments and world-class machining center guarantee the qualities of the products. We provide superior products and service in unique ways, which includes perfect systems of research, manufacturing, test, and service. We adopt the most advanced robot welding production system, the annual working ability of which can reach 10,000 tons. The main parts of our presses are welded by the robot. We adopt the high-quality steel plate, which are cut, polished, assembled, and welded through the numerical control. All welding parts will not be sent to the machining workshop for processing until they have passed the inspection after processing with artificial aging treatment and shock blasting treatment. We have industry-leading machining ability, which includes large flexible production system, large NC boring and milling machine, CNC, NC lathe, grinding machine, appropriative precision NC grinding machine for thread, crankshaft, ball joint and hole. We also have a large precision coordinate measuring machine to guarantee the parts can meet the requirement of the design. Our assembly workshops are large and clean. It is equipped with all kinds of cranes, the maximum specification of which can reach 125 tons. We have a pit for assembly of the large size machines. The maximum specification can reach 3,000 tons of large double point or 4-point press. The assembly line adopts means to guarantee the machine can attain the standards for leaving the factory, such as parts assembly and test, the whole machine assembly and test, and the final test. We have the ISO 9001 certificate of quality system and received the title of Guangdong Province Famous Brand.